Seeing faces in clouds, electrical outlets, tree trunks, or random stains is a surprisingly universal experience. This phenomenon, known as pareidolia, happens because the human brain is incredibly skilled at finding meaning, especially faces, even where none actually exist. Humans are social creatures, and recognizing faces is essential to communication and survival. Our brains developed specialized regions, particularly the fusiform face area, dedicated to detecting faces quickly and accurately. Because this system is so sensitive, it sometimes triggers false positives. In other words, the brain would rather mistakenly identify a face in a pattern than risk missing a real one. This rapid detection process works on minimal information. A pair of dots and a line can already resemble eyes and a mouth. When the brain notices any arrangement of shapes that could form a face, it instantly highlights the pattern and fills in the rest. This happens so quickly that it feels automatic, not deliberate. Emotional significance also plays a role. Faces are connected to communication, safety, trust, and threat detection. The brain treats face-like patterns as socially meaningful, even when it knows logically that the object is not alive. This creates a momentary sense of recognition or connection, making the face seem expressive or animated. Our brains also look for patterns to make the world feel predictable. Recognizing familiar shapes, faces, animals, symbols, turns chaos into order. When we interpret random designs as meaningful, the world feels more structured and easier to understand. Cultural influences strengthen the effect. We grow up surrounded by stories, emojis, cartoons, and symbols that simplify faces into basic shapes. This trains the mind to see faces in almost anything: cars, appliances, rocks, or food. Finally, pareidolia becomes stronger when we're tired, emotional, or in low light. In these states, the brain is more likely to rely on shortcuts, matching anything vaguely familiar to known patterns. Ultimately, seeing faces in everyday objects is a natural and fascinating side effect of having a highly social, pattern-seeking brain, one that's constantly trying to make sense of the world.